From Bahrain to Dubai, the business of Islamic banking is booming. The banks in the region have largely been shielded from the U.S. subprime mortgage crisis. That could open the doors for them to expand beyond their traditional markets. Sheikh Ahmed bin Mohammed Al Khalifa is the Minister of Finance for Bahrain.
So different institutions will come out of this in a different way. But I think overall, if we look at growth in this part of the world, I see growth continuing at a very healthy pace.
One reason, Islamic law or Sharia prohibits all kinds of speculative behavior. On the list, loans which include interest payments, also forbidden debt-based instruments. Demand from the world's 1.3 billion Muslims for assets that comply with their beliefs has soared. According to industry experts, the sector is expected to grow at 15% a year, and assets that comply with Islamic law are set to hit $1 trillion by the year 2010. But it's not just Middle East investors with deep petrodollar pockets who are investing in Sharia-compliant products. Asif Mumtaz is the regional head of HSBC Amana.
There is a lot of interest and growth by non-Muslims who want to get the products and services which are Sharia compliant in nature, primarily because they also look at it as an ethical way of investment.
Even though the subprime crisis has had little impact on the industry's bottom line, investor sentiment, especially in the bond market, or sukuk, has made it difficult for new offerings. Duncan Smith is the global head of Islamic financial services at Arab Banking Corporation.
I think that the Islamic banking market is quite closely linked to sentiment in the conventional markets, and I think that many Islamic transactions historically have been invested in by international banks and not just Islamic banks. Because they are sitting on the sidelines to an extent, I think the Islamic banks are sitting on the sidelines too.
The industry still has a way to go before it reaches the same standards as conventional banking. Bahraini government officials point to the need for more regulation, as well as the need for more talent that understands the intricacies of finance and Islamic law. But for many global investors still reeling from the U.S. mortgage meltdown, the easy-to-understand concepts of investing in products that comply with Islamic law could be a breath of fresh air.